Good morning, everybody. This is Lindy. This is me. Hi, how are ya? I'm going to do a DIY project, which is I'm going to put these latches on the side of this new cabinet that I just put in, and I'm trying to bring you guys along, so we'll see how good I am, because I'm not very good. Here's some of my tools. Uh-oh, where's my machine? Oh, here it is. And here's my favorite machine, or tool. This is my favorite tool. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Give me a minute, I'm gonna open up the packages, and then we're gonna get started drilling holes in and doing our thing. Give me just a sec. Okay, so guys, I don't really measure too much, except if it has to fit. So I'm going to drill a hole in the side of the drawer, which is right here. Okay, so there's your drawer. I'm going to drill a hole here. I think I am. I think so. Nope. Okay. And I just go in that first little. So the first little cutter here, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little gadget there. Anyway, that's long enough for me to put it in. Okay, so then we're just going to go over here. Gonna match it up right here. I'm hoping. I don't know. Hold on just a minute. So let's just take this little gadget here. I think I better take it and see how it's going to work. I don't know. Because see, I want to put this little thing here, right here, on this side right here. Okay. I want it to stick out a little bit. And then this thing here, oops, this has to go this way, I think. So this thing here has to drop in there. Okay. So I think I got it. So then I'm gonna do this little thing here. I think that's right. I'm gonna put it in here. Right there. Okay. Let's move it over a little bit. Okay, maybe right there. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have to be able to do this. No. Okay, move it in. Right there. Okay, I think I got it. I'm just going in that first little thing. Okay, let's see if we did it. Let's see if we did it right. So then this little hooky thing we did. Okay. Ow. So when this gets too much for my hands, I just take these pliers and I can turn it around that way. Because otherwise, I'm not strong enough to turn it around. So I do all this. Can you see this? Okay. This is my mini DIY. And I'm going to do this to every drawer because when this fan is on a slant, and it's on a slant a lot, these drawers just fly open. And the other thing is, everything should be really, really secure in your van. It really should be. Oh my goodness. I'm going to get this over here and here. There we go. Did I do it? No, I didn't do it. Oh, for goodness sakes. Well, that's not nice. It was perfect. I had it perfect. What is your problem? Oh, okay. All right. Looky there. Now I got a latch. So this drawer is not going to be flying open. I am going to keep my bungee cord on there, but now I'm going to do every single drawer. But I thought I would show you what I'm doing. And then I'm going to film. When I start stripping out all this insulation, I'm going to film that too. I'm getting better. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. You have a guys have a great day.